Hello, my name is Barak James and I am a boy. I studied at Airport Primary School until I did my KCP in November 2022. God helped me and I scored 397 marks out of the possible 500, and I thank God for it. And without forgetting, it was the teachers and my parents' support. And most important of all, I used to come here to study. Since I had shortage of books, I could not access to other books like maths, English, and Kiswahili. And those subjects are very critical in your exams. So I used to come here in order to access those books. And sure enough, I succeeded. So I came here every day when I was free, when I was not in school, and used to study here from morning till evening when I used to go home. If you have shortage of books in your home, you can come at Elimu Resource Centre and have some books here that you lack, so that you can share your experience like me. Thank you.